Hello dear students, myself Mr. Abhijit Ankush Khatre, working as a lecturer in KCD's Krishna College of Pharmacy, Karnataka. Today, here we are discussing the name of the topic is anthelmintics. So what is the use, what is the definition, and what are the different drugs which is classified into this topic, you will see next. What are the learning outcomes of this topic? Maybe define, then chemical classification of different anthelmintic drugs, structures like piperazine and fluconazole, then properties, therapeutic uses, storage condition, pharmaceutical use. These all are the learning outcomes. In this topic, there are only two structures. First structure is piperazine and second one is the DEC. So what do we mean by helminthisis? It is a topical disease caused by parasitic worms, which is multicellular organism, which infects the body, are called as helminthic disease. There are the three types of worms. Number one is Nemathics, is also called as nematodes, is known as roundworm. Then Plethelminx, cystod, nematodes. These are the different worms which infects on human body, and disease, name of the disease is helminthic disease. So here we use anthelmintic drugs to treat these type of helminthic infections like worms, nematodes, cystods, all type of worms which are treated by these anthelmintic drugs. So anthelmintics are the agents which are used to kill or remove the parasitic worms. Example is ethanol and piperazine. Always remember, anthelmintics are the drugs which are used to kill the parasitic worms. Chemical classification: halogenated hydrocarbons, example is tetrachloroethylene. Second is ethylene, phenol and bipheноls, example is ethanol. Dyes is genetine violet. Then piperazine and related compound, example is piperazine. Then DEC, that is diethyl carbamazine. Other heterocyclic ring compounds containing mebendazole, metronidazole. Alkaloids, example is imidine. And last one is antimonal compound, example is anti-monopotassium tartrate. These are the different classes which are used as anthelmintic drugs. Next, first structure is piperazine. What is the structure of piperazine? Containing 6-membered ring, there is a presence of 2 heteroatoms. That name of the heteroatoms is nitrogen. Nitrogen containing 2 molecules, but there is presence of hydrogen, means it is a saturated type of rings. So what is the chemical name of this piperazine is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the numbering of that structure. 1,4-diaza. There is a presence of 1 and 4 is the nitrogen atom. The presence of piperazine, it is also called as cyclohexane. So chemical name is 1,4-diaza cyclohexane. What are the properties of this drug? It is a colorless, odor is characteristic odor, solubility, it is soluble in water and alcohol. What are the uses of this drug? It is used in all type of worms like pinworm and roundworm. Pharmaceutical formulation, it is available in elixir and tablet form. What about the brand names? There are the different brand names like Antepa, Lumixid, Formixid. What about the storage condition? It is the diluents and deliquescents, and it is affected by light. Hence, it is stored in tightly closed light resistance container. These are the property, uses, pharmaceutical formulation, brand name and storage condition of piperazine. Next drug is a diethyl carbamazine. It is also called as DEC. So this is the structure. According to that structure, write down the chemical name. First, you number that structure. The ring which is present in this structure is piperazine ring. There is a presence of methyl group at position number 4, and at position number 1 presence of carboxide. Into that straight line chain indicates diethyl molecules. So the chemical name of this DEC is NN diethyl 4-methyl piperazine 1-carboxamide. Next, what are the properties of this DEC? Color is white in powder, odor is odorless, taste is a bitter, solubility, it is soluble in water but there is a insoluble in chloroform and ether. What are the different uses of this DEC? It is used as a roundworm infestation, chloriasis, also used in lymphatic loiosis and tropical eosinophilia. Then what are the formulations? It is available in injection form and it is also available in tablet form. Brand names: Filiazine, Histazine and Bonoside Forate. These are the different brand names of this diethyl carbamazine. Then very important theoretical drug, which is already used in market. Name of that drug is mebendazole, which is used as a anthelmintic. So what is the properties? White crystalline, white to slightly yellow amorphous powder. Odor is odorless. It is insoluble in water, chloroform and ether, but freely soluble in formic acid. What about the uses of this drug? It is used as a broad spectrum anthelmintics like roundworms and hookworms. It is also used in hookworms, feedworms, roundworms, tabworms infections. Also used in threadworm infection. So these are the uses of mebendazole. In exam, frequently asked question on this mebendazole. Write the properties and uses, brand name of mebendazole. Very important. So this is the all about the anthelmintics. Frequently asked questions is define and classify anthelmintics for 3 marks. Then second question, draw the structure of DEC and piperazine with chemical name and their uses. Then give the properties, uses of mebendazole. These 3 questions are frequently asked in exam. One more question is there. There is a what are the different drugs which is used as an anthelmintics? You can write down the answer. That is the DEC, piperazine, mebendazole, albendazole. These are the different drugs which is used as a anthelmintics. I hope you all clear all these concepts. Thank you so much.